Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to fix Ingress Timeout error on Instagram. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction. So I'm going to be showing you various methods on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the reason for this kind of error might be that you've uploaded or posted some content that is against the community guidelines. In order to recover your account, what you'll need to do is, first thing, you can clear cache and data. So in order to clear cache and data, you'll need to open up your settings application and then click on apps. As you click on apps, next page you need to search for Instagram and then click on it. As soon as you click on it, on the other page you'll be directed to app info and then click on storage and click on clear cache and data. Once you do that, try login into your account and you might be able to fix it. And for the second step, what you can do is you can switch over to your Wi-Fi or to your mobile data. Done that, you might be able to fix it. Instead of doing all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can simply delete your Instagram application and then re-log in into your account and reinstall your Instagram application and then re-log in into your account. If none of these seems to be working, then you can contact the customer service. So for that, what you need to do is you need to open up your web browser and then type in www.instagram.support.com and then you need to submit a report stating that why your account should not be flagged, and also you need to provide your information. Usually Instagram will take 24 hours to respond, and if the information provided is correct, they will look into your matter. You'll be able to recover your account. So if you're unable to use your Instagram account for 24 hours, then what you need to do is you need to wait for 3 days, and after 3 days you'll be able to recover your account. So those were the methods on how you can fix Ingress Timeout error on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.